In this video, I'm going to show you how to make any animation smoother in Moon Animator inside Roblox Studio. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's say you already have your animation, but it looks a bit stiff and robotic and there are some unpleasant frames like so. Now what you want to do is smooth out the transition between your keyframes. The first thing that you need to do is select all of your keyframes. You can do it manually just like so, or you can just go to the edit and click on select all, or you can press alt and F key on your keyboard to select all. And once that they have been selected, just go to the keyframes tag while they are selected and go to edit selection, or you can just press the 7 key on your keyboard. Just go to edit selection and you will see style. Just click on the drop down and choose the options or play around with them until you get your perfect look. So let's say I want to go with linear. I'll just click on OK. Now when I play my animation, you will see it looks pretty smooth compared to what it was. Or you can just go to the edit selection once again and choose other options. Just like let's say I want to go with quad. I'll click on OK and you will see now it is much smoother. Choosing smoother styles like ease in, ease out will make your animation flow more naturally, while linear will keep it more consistent and mechanical. You can try out different style and immediately see how they affect your animation, so feel free to experiment until it looks just right to you. And that's it. That's how we make your animation smoother in Moon Animator. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.